To start using Amazon Haul, let me tell you that this service is only mobile, which means you need to download Amazon Shopping app on your smartphone, and there's no other way to access it as the date of recording this video. Also, there's one more restriction, as the service is only available in US, which means you need to change your region to US, and you can do it by clicking on your profile icon right here. And then in the top right corner you will need to select US. Right here in country and region, just scroll down and look for United States. Now when we have that established, we can click on done and then move to the home icon right here. Now in the search bar you will need to enter Haul and then click on this icon. That way you'll be able to access all of the features for that service and start shopping.